There are people who are skilled at their job, and there are people who can also end up with the same result but in a much faster way. So today, we're going to show you fast workers who do their job perfectly, and it's the most satisfying thing you will ever see. Watch how this guy slices watermelon into perfect pieces in an extremely satisfying way. Here's a man who sure knows how to use his fingers. I bet the ladies love him. To be the fastest worker, you also have to be creative, like this woman who came up with the fastest way to cover bicycle wheels in plastic. At first glance, you may think this Korean chef is only cutting with immense speed, but you'll be shocked when you see the amazing result in the end. At this Domino's, the food is never delivered to the customers late, all because of this fast worker who can make 3 pizzas in only 39 seconds. These guys don't need any fancy machines, their amazing teamwork does the job just as quickly. An ideally placed wrecking ball takes down a massive old building perfectly. I think these workers must have missed the safety review. Just watch as they casually throw heavy and very explosive tanks. Well, at least his flips are done with excellent performance. After churning papaya skin by hand, this street food worker places it flawlessly on the hot griddles. With a great combination of speed and precision, this woman perfectly portions the batter. This restaurant employee can set a table in a very elegant and efficient way. Watch how this skilled and creative excavator operator hops the heavy vehicle over a pipeline. Here's what a human computer looks like at its full potential. Properly cutting a salmon is not easy, but for this incredible fisherman, it only takes seconds.
That is pretty sick, man.
Slicing potatoes is pretty easy, but slicing it into a thin net is a work of art. There are ordinary shawarma makers, and then there are true ninjas, and right now you're looking at the latter. One person that's great at throwing and another that's good at catching creates the most perfect combination. And here we see an excellent example. If this Formula One driver doesn't win the race, he certainly can't blame the pit crew. This man perfectly trims a tree with only a few swings. This guy can cook perfectly round pancakes for the whole neighborhood faster than I can cook one for myself. Screw the machines, this guy can do it faster. This 17-year-old master shearer can shear a sheep in less than 30 seconds. This chef's cutting skills are on the next level. Just check out the art he creates with a watermelon. Whatever this man is getting paid, it ain't enough. By using an easy trick, this worker makes a clean cut of the carpet flooring around a pole. These chefs working at a Japanese street food restaurant have fantastic teamwork while pounding mochi. If they make only one wrong calculation, it could go very wrong, but these guys are too skilled for mistakes. This man can cut a coconut so clean that he doesn't even spill a single drop of what's inside. This worker is so quick he doesn't even leave any space for his colleagues. Personally though, I wouldn't complain. Here's a very dangerous work done beautifully, inserting hot metal sticks into a machine with great speed and accuracy. The factory had to hire 4 people to cope with the speed of the conveyor belt, but what they didn't know was that one of them was so skilled, he could do all the work by himself. write in the comments which of these clips was your favorite. In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.